In India, religious festivals can take on an epic scale. Whether it's the crowds, the festivities, or the fervor, the motto is, go big or go home.
And when we work together and we harmonize our hearts in that way, then God performs miracles even through us.
When it comes to food, there's a mega kitchen that lives up to this motto.
We'll have devotees who will be traveling in 100 buses every day and going out and coming back. And when they come back, they are really hungry. So we have to make sure that everything is ready on time.
Traveling the length and breadth of the country, sprouting up virtually overnight.
You have to load 3 trucks, unload 3 trucks, set up the kitchen overnight, and as soon as you finish the setup, the cooking team will start cooking tomorrow morning at 4 a.m.
In time to feed thousands of devotees seeking spiritual adventures. It's a kitchen that's created as efficiently as it's dismantled. Welcome to ISKCON's Yatra Kitchen, a mega kitchen on the move.